And I have to come and say, I did not say that, future Fumble. And then I am going to come and apologize and say I'm sorry, and people can make mistake.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So, we could make a good controversy out of it. I'm damn some fool.
Fumble rascal.
That a week ago, Latoya Bulgin from St. James lost her life in a police-involved shooting. One of the things that Jamaica can be proud of.
Do you think that if Andrew Holness was really serious on what he's saying right there, anybody would have go against him? No. This is the same Andrew Holness who said this. Let's play it again.
So all of those little boys running around with guns who believe that them will go in front of a judge and they will plead a case and they will go through some bargaining process and they get 6 months and come out. Rubbish! What them say? Radam!
Yo, what's up my beautiful people? Welcome forward to the channel. You don't know me deal with it over on my side, don't it? You have to take the time out to pick up all of the ones and ones you give thanks for life. Cause the last time I check it, life are the greatest. All of who subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video and definitely them thoughts in the comment section. So today in the review, my people, we have one Kevin reacting to Andrew Holness and the speech we make about the controversial unaliving of Latoya Bulgin, otherwise known as Bojo, my people. Seeing now one Kevin have a lot to say and a lot of people disagree with the Prime Minister or also not even disagree but just completely dismiss or disregard what the Prime Minister have to say. You understand what I say, my people? So we're going to take with time, we'll go through it. And we also have Future Fumble, my people. We have a voice note from Future Fumble, seemingly what he sent to Beenie Man, trying to set up the whole or orchestrate the whole publicity stunt where we see tech fall in the last couple of weeks, my people, between Beenie Man and Future Fumble. You understand what I say? So we have that for run through, my people. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bad.
And I have to come and say, I did not say that, future Fumble. You understand? And then I am going to come and apologize and say I'm sorry, and people can make mistake. Really, man, I could take the whole of that weekend, take the whole place for yourself. Because some people tell me say so, and then some people tell me say never said that. So you could make a good controversy out of it. I'm damn some fool. At man, people need that song with me. Yeah, do it to me. Time now and a day. Step up and take the man. Run with your brother, man. Love you, you know me love you, love you like cook food.
Alright, my beautiful people. So there you have it, that was a voice note from Future Fumble. Now, in my 2 cents, my people, I'm just glad to the whole thing was a publicity stunt. You understand what I say? And Fumble did get the publicity. I'm not gonna lie to you. You see it? But real talk, I feel glad to say it wasn't violence or anything involved. Because we don't really need that in the culture right now. The culture already been unseen enough. We see what happened with a Vibes Cartel. Look what going on with a Malidan and Skipper the other day. Hopefully nothing no escalate from that. You understand me? And we can see where producers now start get themselves in a effery. Even though producers been getting themselves in effery, we're not gonna call no name. But we don't really want that in the space right now. You understand what I say? So we just have to try not get caught up in the unnecessary drama and the problem and them thing there. You know, good publicity is any publicity. Well, positive and good publicity is the best one. I'm gonna put that out there. Saying cause we're not gonna make an artist feel like say if you get publicized, you might go strip naked or do certain things. No. They kill them not depend that now. Saying we don't want to see them thing there. So any publicity are good publicity still. You understand what I say? So we're just glad to say it wasn't nothing violent or anything. And big up to the 2Gs them saying. Now my people, we're gonna play the clip now from Andrew Holness. Now I'm not gonna play the whole thing because it's a long clip. And we have one Kevin reacting to it. I want to know, leave on the thoughts in the comment section where one Kevin have to say. So I'm going to split up the clip them with Andrew and then I'm going to add one Kevin after. Don't forget to like, share and leave on the thoughts in the comment section. Bad.
I accepted the invitation to speak at this event. I did not know that there would be an incident in St. James that would shine a particular light on the JCF. And since then, I have received letters, emails, messages from average citizens, ordinary Jamaicans, asking me to comment on the matter. It is indeed a matter of great public concern. I have been deliberately silent on the matter up until this point. Because as Prime Minister, I cannot and should not make statements that are not properly thought out. And in the immediacy of an event, sometimes we can make statements that more complicates than advance understanding. And so this turned out to be an opportune occasion on which I could make a few comments on the matter. Clearly, I cannot address the facts and details of the matter, and I don't think the public expects me to do that. But I think the public needs some reassurance of who we are, what we believe, and what it is that we want to achieve. At the core of this is humanity and dignity. That's what it comes down to. Humanity, dignity, and respect. Less than a week ago, Latoya Bulgin from St. James lost her life in a police-involved shooting. I extend my sincere condolences to her family, her friends, her community, and all who are grieving. I know that the incident has caused pain, anger, and deep concern across Jamaica, and not just in Jamaica. I believe that we should all recognize that we live in a global village, and anything that is happening in Jamaica, yes, it has parallels elsewhere. We see the situation in Minnesota a few months ago, but what is happening here is exported in milliseconds in other jurisdictions. And so I've been receiving calls from Jamaicans overseas concerned, and from friends who are not Jamaican, but who would have seen the incident circulated, and they are also concerned. I'm happy that the matter has been swiftly addressed by the Police High Command, that the officer involved has been interdicted, and there is a process of investigation that is ongoing. One of the things that Jamaica can be proud of is the establishment of a mechanism to independently investigate officers of the state when, in the course of their duty, a life is taken. That was a fundamental and profound change in how Jamaica policed itself. And as officers coming up in the police force, I am hopeful that it is the general understanding that the entire objective of the state is to preserve life.
Yes, my beautiful people. So there you have it with Andrew Holness, his speech about addressing the whole Latoya Bulgin, otherwise known as Bojo, unaliving my people. You understand what me I say? No, my 2 cents, my people. No, me not in a politics, so I just put that out there, but I can't blame Andrew Holness for every single action of the police force. You understand what I say? I have to give him, because him have to take accountability to it, because him know say and him side with Horace Chang for not equipping these police officers with body cam. You understand what I say? Whole heap of thing him turn him blind eye too. But the point I want to try to make is, at the same time, it's every police officer duty and responsibility for them own actions. If you don't understand what I say, some people, a police duty for serve and protect the people, not for abuse them power or move corruption. Integrity matter, morals matter, because when you put on that uniform and thing, you represent the whole Jamaica, not just yourself. Seeing, you represent the law, you represent the country, you represent the people. So me know the police work hard and it's dangerous, and enough good police officer out there. We have to say that. We really are trying to protect them, the citizens and them things. So big up them officers there, but the ones them where choose violence and corruption and injustice, for the innocent people, them have to answer for that. And them need to answer for that. So at the end of the day, Jamaica just need leadership, accountability, and Andrew him not fully lead. So we have to blame him for that. But as I say, my people, we now go blame him for every single police action out there. You see what I say? That are my 2 cents anyway. So really want change. See, we want a better Jamaica. You understand what I say? At the end of the day, for everyone, a safer Jamaica. See? So if the whole away work towards that, then you understand, you can't have one police officer where I try to do good and next one where I try to kill off the people them. You understand what I say? A corrupted commissioner where I do. You understand what I say? People the whole away just have to dip on the same page, and I doubt that will ever happen. See? So anyway, my people, we have one Kevin now. One Kevin a react to Andrew, because them not easy him off, you know. Them not easy him off. I don't feel like him to get no ease off either, because him have to feel the pressure. It have to come down upon him, so him can make the changes. So the people them have to push for that. You understand what I say? So where one Kevin have to say?
See,
but
that practitioner there, when Marvin have, don't say it can't work. No, knock it till you try it. Try it. He need the numbers of people. Let's see if we give him the numbers of people, if something can get done. Let's see if we get the numbers of people, if some changes can make in Jamaica. Jamaica are crying out for help. We are crying for peace. Police, we don't want war with you, no. Government, we don't want war with you. You are the man. Andrew, we get it. There's no law when it comes to you and the police them. Your aim is to kill. Can you save life? For the rest of this year, can you save life?
that is the quick update for the show, my people. Bless up on yourself, big up on yourself, walk safe, more life. Until next time, part.